Now, first one, the concept which we are going to discuss is from even and odd numbers. Even and odd numbers. Even and odd numbers. What are even and odd numbers? What are even and odd numbers? Is there a difference between an even digit and an even number? Whenever I am saying from right now onwards, whenever I am saying a number, I am referring to the numbers which can be counted. The numbers which can be counted are called natural numbers. Numbers which can be counted are called natural numbers. So from now onwards, whenever I am using a number, I am referring to natural number. When I am saying a prime number, I am referring to a prime number from a natural number set. When I am referring to an even number, I am referring to an even number from a natural number set. Odd number, I am referring to an odd number from a natural number set. Number by default, I am referring to natural numbers here. The numbers can be real numbers, irrational numbers, rational numbers, but in this context, number and natural numbers both are synonyms. Natural numbers. What do you mean by natural numbers? As some centuries ago, the numbers which can be counted, are called natural numbers. Numbers which can be counted are called countable numbers. Anything which you can count it, that comes under the set natural numbers. Praveen gave me 3 apples. I took class for 2 hours. Students solved 50 problems. Teacher gave 60 problems as an assignment. He is selling half a dozen of bananas. Anything that you can count it is called a natural number. Anything that can be counted is called as a natural number. So natural numbers can be represented on a number line. Natural numbers can be represented on a number line. Anything that can be represented on a number line. In a number line, a line where the numbers are written, a line where the numbers are written. What are the natural numbers? Natural numbers means, suppose if I take a number line, right? There is no number existing, that is 0. Or somebody gave me 2 apples, I gave back 2 apples. 2 minus 2, 0. I don't need to give anything. Somebody gave me 100 rupees and I returned back the 100 rupees. How much I owe? I do not owe anything. That is called 0. Anything to the RHS of 0. Anything to the right hand side of 0. Anything to the right hand of 0. That is called natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. What are natural numbers? Natural numbers are the numbers which can be counted. Sir, are natural numbers rational numbers? Definitely yes. What do you mean by a rational number? What do you mean by a rational number? Any number which can be represented in the form of P by Q. In the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers. Where P and Q are integers are called rational numbers. If a number can be represented in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers, just put a star mark on this line. P and Q are integers. P and Q are integers. Anything to the right hand side of 0 is called a natural number. Now, if I take anything to the left side of 0, I will get negative numbers. I will get negative numbers. Negative numbers. P and Q are integers. Now the question is a natural number a rational number? Natural number, if I take 1, 1 can be written as 1 by 1. 1 and 1 both are integers. 2 by 2, 2 and 2 are integers. 3 by 3, they are integers. 4 by 4, they are integers. Yes, 1 can be represented in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers. So therefore, 1 is a rational number, or in simple mathematical language, a natural number is derived out of a rational number. A natural number is derived out of rational number. It is 2 by 1. It is 4 by 3. It is 6 by 3 and so on. 2 by 1. 1 and 2 are co-prime to each other. 4 by 2. 4 by 2 are not co-prime to each other. 4 by 2. That means if I take a rational number as P by Q, HCF of P by HCF of P comma Q. HCF of HCF of P comma Q. HCF of P comma Q. If it is 1, and Q is a factor of P, then the number becomes a natural number. This is the mathematical definition from a rational number point of view. What do you mean by a rational number? A rational number is a number which can be represented in the form of a fraction. A fraction will have numerator. A fraction will have denominator. And the condition is numerator and denominator should take an integer value. Numerator and denominator should take an integer value. Now, if you see here, if you can represent a rational number in such a way that denominator is a factor of numerator and Q is a factor of P. If you condense it and if you are able to write the rational number right in the form of P by Q, then it becomes a natural number. 4 by 2, they are not in its simplest form. Simplest form is 2 by 1. Either Q is a factor of P or Q equivalent to 1 and P is a positive integer or P is a positive integer. Either the definition can be for the numbers which are not co-prime to each other or for the numbers which are co-prime to each other. 4 and 2 are not co-prime to each other. If they are not co-prime to each other, if the denominator is a factor of numerator, 12 by 4, it is 3. 25 by 5, it is 5. 36 by 4, it is 9. If the denominator is a factor of the numerator, then it will result in a natural number, or if they are co-prime to each other, denominator can be 1. This is a mathematical definition of a natural number from a rational number point of view. Sir, what if this condition fails? Then we will get proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. Sir, in improper fraction, what if the denominator is 2 and 5? Then we will get a terminating decimal. What if the denominator is not derived from 2 and 5? Then we will get a recurring decimal. Sir, how to convert a recurring decimal into a fraction? That is another class. That is how the mathematics of rational numbers has evolved. That is how mathematics of rational number got evolved. I hope it is clear. I hope the concept is clear. Natural number. What are natural numbers? Natural numbers are the numbers which can be counted. Anything that can be counted is called a natural number. A natural number on a number line, it will be there to the RHS of 0. Definition of rational number. A rational number can be written in the form of P and Q. P by Q both are integers. Now we are only discussing even and odd numbers under natural numbers definition. Now see here. Even numbers. What do you mean by even numbers? Mathematical definition, any number. Suppose if I say that n is an even number. If n is an even number, n should be perfectly divisible by 2. Perfectly divisible means it should give remainder 0. Perfectly divisible means it should give remainder 0. Mathematical definition of an even number. If n is an even number, it should be perfectly divisible by 2. n is perfectly divisible by 2. Perfectly divisible means remainder is 0. For example, 4 divided by 2, 2 2s are 4, remainder 0. 8 divided by 2, 16 divided by 2, 34 divided by 2, and so on. Are you all with me? So for any number, this is the first definition of an even number. Because it is perfectly divisible by 2, so if 4 is divisible by 2, 4 is 2 into 2. 6 is divisible by 2, 6 is 2 into 3. 8 is divisible by 2, 8 is 2 into 4. A even number is of the form 2k, and k can take any natural number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. K can take any number, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4 so on. This is a very, very important concept. Even in an exam like CAT, 99% of the students did a mistake on a CAT replica concept. I will discuss it right now. I'll discuss it right now. N is 2k. K will be 1, 2, 3. K will take a natural number. An even number is of the form. An even number is of the form 2k. Even number is of the form 2k. Suppose, tricky question. Tricky question. These where most of them will do a mistake. 5x, it is an even number. 5x, it is an even number. 5 into x, it is an even number. Answer output is given as an even number. Immediately students will say, sir, x has to be even. X has to be even. It can be 2, 4, 6 and so on. X has to be even. 5 into 2, 5 into 4, 5 into 6. X has to be even. This is where your half knowledge will come into picture and you will immediately end up tick marking x as an even number. Now please tell me, why can't x be 2 by 5? Did I mention that x is a natural number? I mentioned that the right hand side is an even number. I mentioned that the right hand side is an even number. I did not mention anything about x. Did I mention anything about x? Right? You are taking x to be a natural number on your own assumption. See here, from such an easy concept, a question has got 4 options. Instead of getting right 3, you got wrong -1. That means you lost 4 marks because of your not understanding the fundamentals in detail. X can be 2 by 5. X can be 4 by 5. 5 into 4 by 5 is 4. X can be 6 by 5. X can be 8 by 5 and so on. X can be and so on. Very, very important concept. Please make a note of it. If 5x is an even number, most of the students what they will do is 5 is an odd number. Odd number into something, it is an even number. Odd into even only, it is even. Odd into even only, it is even. They will take x even. X is an even number undoubtedly, but x can also be a fraction. 5 into 2 by 5, 2, it is an even number. 5 into 4 by 5. 4, it is an even number. This kind of questions, these are the kind of questions that will come in your examination. Please do not neglect the basic fundamentals of any concept. This is where most of the students know this concept, but they will do a mistake in this concept. Even numbers are the natural numbers which are perfectly divisible by 2. Even numbers are the numbers which are perfectly divisible by 2. Any number which is perfectly divisible by 2, remainder will be 0. Any number which is perfectly divisible by 2, remainder will be 0. Because it is perfectly divisible by 2, it is of the form 2k. It is of the form 2k. I hope the idea it is clear. One fundamental question. Sir, what if it is not perfectly divisible by 2? What if it is not perfectly divisible by 2? So, if it is not perfectly divisible by 2, it is behaving oddly, right? It is behaving odd. If it is behaving correct, then it should be perfectly divisible by 2. You are right. So when we say that he is behaving odd, that means he is not behaving in the way that it is expected. Ideally, even number is the number which is perfectly divisible by 2. Odd number which is not perfectly divisible by 2. So if it is not perfectly divisible by 2, then the remainder cannot be 0. Then the remainder cannot be 0. Any number which is not perfectly divisible by 2, any number which is not perfectly divisible by 2, then it is called an odd number. This is the first concept. So, if it is not giving remainder 0, what remainder it gives? What remainder it gives? Now, if you see, if n is an odd number, if n is an odd number, if n is an odd number, when it is divided by 2, either it should give remainder 0 or remainder 1. 0 it is not possible. So it gives a remainder 1. This is the positive remainder. What is the negative remainder? Negative remainder can be minus 1. Why? Because if I take 13 divided by 7, 7 ones are 7. Positive remainder it is 6. Negative remainder will be minus 1. 7 twos are 14. Negative remainder will be minus 1. From where you got minus 1? 6 minus 7 is minus 1. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. That is the reason in our textbook, that is the reason it is written in our textbook, an odd number will be of the form either 2k plus 1 or 2k minus 1. 2k plus 1 when 1 is the positive remainder. 2k minus 1 when minus 1 is the negative remainder. When you divide a number by 2, you will get 2 reminders, 0 and 1. It cannot be giving 0. If it gives 0, then it is an even number. So it gives a remainder 1. If it gives a remainder 1, if it gives a remainder 1, if it gives a remainder 1, then negative remainder will be minus 1. That means any odd number, let the number be n, when I divide by 2, quotient is k. Either it gives a remainder 1, k1 I will take, or when it is divided by 2, quotient is k2, it is minus 1. So n will be dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder, or divisor into quotient minus 1. That is the reason in odd number. That is the reason we got 2k plus 1 or 2k minus 1. Positive remainder plus 1, negative remainder minus 1. Very, very good, interesting problems which we are going to discuss. Sir, till now I studied what is an even number. Even number is perfectly divisible by 2. Odd number is not perfectly divisible by 2. Odd number is not perfectly divisible by 2. So we will do some mathematical operations on these numbers. We will do some mathematical operation on these numbers. Now listen carefully, sir. In natural number set, I am doing even numbers and I am also doing odd numbers. Odd numbers and even numbers are derived from natural numbers. Very, very important key points, sir. Minus 2, it is an even digit. Minus 2 is an even digit. A digit can be positive or negative. Minus 5 is an odd digit. Minus 5 is an odd digit. A digit can be either a natural number or it can get into a negative integers also. When I am referring to an even number, I am referring to an even positive number. Even, because all the positive. Now another important key point. Natural numbers start from 1. Natural numbers start from 1, 1, 2, 3 and so on up to countable infinite. They are also called as positive integral solutions. They are also called as positive integral solutions. They are also called as positive integral solutions. Integers will have negative, 0 and positive. Integrals will have negative, 0 and positive. In natural numbers, only positive integral solutions. Next is whole numbers. Next is whole numbers. Whole numbers is 0 and positive. Whole numbers is 0 and positive, which I'll call it as other than negative. It is 0 and positive, which we call it as a non-negative integral solutions. Please make a note of it, sir. When I say non-negative, non-negative means other than negative. Integers is a combination of negative, 0 and positive. Integers is a combination of negative, 0 and positive. Whole numbers other than negative, it is 0 and positive. 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Natural numbers. Another synonym for natural numbers is positive integral solution. Another synonym for whole numbers is non-negative integral solutions. Non-negative integral solution. Very, very important understanding. -2. I am taking the even digit from the set of integers. Set of integers. But again and again I am repeating. When I say an even number, I am referring to an even positive number. All even and odd numbers, all are perfectly divisible by 2, or it is not divisible by 2. Natural numbers, even and odd numbers. Now, what I can do with these two numbers, either I can add it, so I can do an addition. Either I can do addition, or I can do a subtraction. I can do a subtraction, or I can do a multiplication. These are some of the mathematical operations that can be performed. I can do multiplication. I cannot do division, because if I do division, I will get it in the form of numerator by denominator, for which rational number I will enter into. I am only restricting it to natural numbers. So what I can do? I can raise it to the powers. I can raise it to the powers, add it, subtraction, multiplication, write powers. Then I can create an expressions, which is a combination of variables, constants and powers. These are all the things which I can do. If somebody gives me two different kind of numbers, somebody gives me even number and an odd number, I can add two even numbers, I can add two odd numbers, I can subtract two even numbers, I can subtract even minus odd, I can do odd minus even, odd minus odd, I can multiply even into even, even into odd, odd into even, odd into odd, I can raise a power of even, and I can do x square plus x cube is odd. Like that I can find an expression. The entire class we will do all the concepts related to performing the mathematical operations on natural numbers, that is an even number and an odd number. That is an even number and an odd number. An even number is always perfectly divisible by 2. Odd number, either it is 2k plus 1 or it is 2k minus 1. It all depends on which value you are going to start. If k1 it is 0, then it is 1. K2 it is 1, then it is 1. It all depends upon the value of K1 and K2 which I am taking. Listen carefully, sir. Only once the fundamentals are clear, you can solve a lot of advanced level CAT questions based upon this concept. This is a natural number, even and odd. Now what I will do is, I will do addition. Now I will write down here, first is an even number. Even number is of the form 2k. Next is an odd number. Odd number is of the form 2k plus 1 or 2k minus 1. 2k plus 1 or 2k minus 1. You might get confused whether k value should be same, so I will take k1 and k2. Addition. Let me do an addition. First addition. Let me take the same parity. Even number plus even number. Even number plus even number. Even number is of the form 2k1. Another even number is perfectly divisible by 2. 2k2. 2 common. 2 into k1 plus k2. That means these getting multiplied by 2. Any even number is of the form 2 into something. That means even plus even. It is even. If you add two even numbers, answer will always be an even number. Reason, even number is of the form 2k1. Another even number 2k2. Add it, 2 into k1 plus k2. k1 plus k2 can be another variable x. 2 into x. Any number multiplied by 2, it is an even number. Second, same parity. Odd plus odd. Odd plus odd. Let me see what is happening. Odd. If I take 2k1 plus 1, another odd number, 2k2 minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Again it is 2 into something. 2 into k1 plus k2. k1 plus k2 is getting multiplied by 2. So it is an even number. It is an even number. Sir, can I take, see, if you are taking 2k1 plus 1, this can be 2k2 minus 1. Sir, I will take 2k2 plus 1. That also can be done. 2k1 plus 1. This can be 2k3 plus 1. Why can't I take both? When divided by 2, I will get a remainder 1. That also can be taken. These both are divisible by 2. 1 plus 1, 2. It is also divisible by 2. Therefore, it is an even number. So, I will take negative here, and here also I will take negative. Even. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. It is even, and these also even. So even. So even number plus an even number, it is an even number. Odd number plus odd number, it is an even number. Odd number plus odd number, it is an even number. Third important, same parity we took. Let me take even plus odd number, or odd number plus even number, or odd number plus even number. Very beautiful cat question can be developed based upon this concept. Even number is 2k1. Odd number is 2k2 minus 1. These both the numbers are divisible by 2. Divisible by 2, it is 2k, sum 7 minus 1. 2k minus 1, it is an odd number. It is an odd number. Odd number plus even. Odd number is any plus 1 plus 2k9. Divisible by 2, divisible by 2, plus 1. Again it is an odd number. Again it is an odd number. Very, very important concept. Listen carefully, sir. Even plus even, it is an even. Odd plus odd, it is an even number. Odd plus odd, it is an even number. Suppose if the question is x plus y, it is an even number. X plus y, it is an even number. What could be the nature of x comma y? X plus y, it is an even number. Right hand side is an even number. Right hand side is an even number. Either it can be odd plus odd number, or it can be even plus even number. Or in simple language, both x and y should have the same parity. Parity is defined as the nature of the number. That means if one is even, another will be even. If one is odd, another will be odd. X plus y, it is an even number. Odd plus odd, it is an even number. Or even plus even, it is also an even number. I hope it is clear. This is a very simple example. Let me take an original cat question that came in your exam. See, whether it is CAT or any other Indian examination, in case if your fundamentals are damn good, you can solve some question which seems very, very difficult. If you go by the root cause of the problem, you can easily solve it. Two questions I will solve. One is a CAT original question, another is a exact replica question. I hope this concept is clear. Even plus even, it is an even number. Odd plus odd, it is an even number. Odd plus odd, it is an even number. Now see here. Question. Original cat question, sir. Original cat question. Let me read the question for you. There are two numbers, AB comma CD. They are two-digit numbers. AB comma CD. They are two-digit numbers. These numbers are multiplied. AB into CD is equivalent to 1073. AB into CD is 1073. I interchanged these AB. BA into CD is equivalent to 2117. BA into CD equivalent to 2117. Find AB plus CD. Find AB plus CD. Write down all the options, 65, 66, 67, and I'll also write 62, even though it is not given in the answer. AB into CD is 1073. BA into CD is 2117. Find AB plus CD. Most of the students will think that this is a very, very difficult question where you have to decode the values of ABCD. Now we will solve the problem step by step. Step number 1. Just now we discussed some concept. AB into CD. AB into CD is equivalent to 1073. AB into CD is equivalent to 1073. Listen carefully. 1073, it is an odd number. 1073, it is an odd number. 1073 is an odd number. When we get odd number multiplication, even into even, 2k1 into 2k2, answer is divisible by 2. Both cannot be even. If one is even into any number, even. Both can be odd. Odd into odd is odd. That means AB is an odd number. AB is an odd number. And CD, it is also an odd number. CD, it is also an odd number. AB, it is an odd number. CD, it is an odd number. Why? Because odd into odd can only give me odd. Odd into odd can only give me odd. Question. Read the question. AB plus CD. That means AB, it is an odd number. CD, it is an odd number. Odd plus odd. Answer has to be even. Odd plus odd, just now we discussed. Answer has to be even. Answer has to be even. First option out, second option out, third option. We are stuck between these two options. We are stuck between these two options. To make little level of difficulty high, I will keep one more option as 64. Why am I keeping 64? You will understand it in the next 1 minute. Is this first step clear? AB into CD. Question is asking for AB plus CD. Odd plus odd into odd is an odd number. Odd plus odd has to be even. Odd plus odd has to be even. So AB odd, CD odd, even. Next, step number 2. We will go step by step and solve the problem. Step number 2. AB into CD is equivalent to 1073. AB into CD is equivalent to 1073. We need to find out AB plus CD. AB plus CD. Now, if you look at this question, what is the rightmost non-zero digit? It is 3. Can I say these 3 is derived from B and D? B into D only I got 3. Yes or no? B into D only I got 3. That means B can be 1. D can be 3. 1 into 3, it is 3. Beautiful concept. Listen carefully, sir. If you multiply two non-zero digits, 1 3s are 3. Do the tens complement of this number. 10 minus 1 is 9. 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 sevens are also 63. Yes or no? Right? Suppose I want 2 sevens are 14. 4. Do the tens complement. 10 minus 2, 8. 10 minus 7, 3. 8 threes are 24. Again, rightmost non-zero digit, it is 4. This is a very, very important concept which everybody should know so that you will be able to eliminate answer option. Rightmost non-zero digit here, it is 3. 1 threes are 3. What is the next combination? 7 nines are 63. Or 9 sevens are, we will write because you will understand it very well. 9 sevens are 63. 9 sevens are 63. 1 threes are 3. B is 1, D is 4. What is the question we require? Question we require AB plus CD. D is 1, D is 3. 1 plus 3, it is 4. Answer unit digit can be 4. This is 7, this is 9. 7 plus 9, it is 16. This unit digit, it is 6. This unit digit, it is 4. Answer has to be unit digit 6 or 4. Option number E is eliminated. I'm sure right now you understood why I kept another answer option. Just by giving 4 answer options, some teachers will do magic. That is not the right way to teach. What if there are more than 1 answer options with even number, right? That also you should know, right? 1 threes are 3, 9 sevens are 63. 1 plus 3, 4, 7 plus 9, 6. Answer unit digit has to be either 4 or 6. Either 4 or 6. Out of 6 answer options, 4 answer options I eliminate. I am stuck between option D and option F. Now let us get into step number 3. Step number 3. Very, very interesting step, sir. Step number 3. AB into CD is equivalent to 1073. BA into CD is equivalent to 2117. I want AB plus CD. I want AB plus CD. Here CD, CD both are remaining same. A is present in which place? A is present in tens place. So it is 10A plus B into CD is equivalent to 1073. Why? Because 23 is there. Example, 2 is present in tens place. 2 into 10 plus 3. 2 into 10 plus 3. CD I am not changing anything. B is present in tens place. So this will be 10B plus A. 10B plus A into CD is equivalent to 2117. So A is present in the tens place. So the value became 10A plus B. CD I am not changing anything. Listen carefully to this step, sir. Some interesting insights you will learn it. 10A plus B into CD is 1073. 10B plus A into CD is 2117. Let me add these two. These 1 plus 2. If I add it, CD into 10A plus A, 11A. 10B plus B, 11B. It is equivalent to 3190. CD into 11 into A plus B equivalent to 3190. 11 2s are 22, 90. CD into A plus B equivalent to 290. Till here, I am sure it is clear to each one of you. CD into 11 into A plus B is 3190. 11 22s are 90, 290. CD into A plus B, we got it as 290. Now see here. These 290, if I take these as one value and it as another value, let us try to split it. 29 into 10, 58 into 5, 290 into 1, 145 into 2. Yes or no? 5 into 58 into 5. What are the factors? 1, 2. 1, 2, 5, 10, 29. These are the ways you can split it. But we discussed AB into CD, it is 1073. AB is an odd number, CD is an odd number. That means CD, it is an odd number. CD, it is an odd number. CD should be an odd number. This case not possible. Giving CD 58 not possible because CD it is an odd number. Giving CD as a 290 it is also not possible. Why? Because CD is a 2-digit number. CD 145 not possible. That means CD has to be 29 and this has to be 10. 29 into 10 is 290. That means D is 9, C is 2. Is it clear? Already we discussed in the previous things. If D is 9, what is B value? 7. B value, it is 7. If B value, it is 7. A plus B, it is 10. A value will be 3. 7 plus 3, 10. That means AB will become 37, CD will become 29. AB 37 and CD 29. AB plus CD 37 plus 29. What will be the answer? 66. Is the idea clear? Especially step number 3 is something which you need to learn how to decode the values of A, B, C, D. A, B into C, D is 1073. 1073, it is an odd number. Odd into odd only can give you an odd number. A, B is odd, C, D is odd. Rightmost non-zero digit it is 3. 1 3s are 3. 7 9s are 63. B can be 1, D can be 3. B can be 9. D can be 7. So from there, this will be 10A plus B into CD is 2117. Adding both of this, you will get the answer. This approach should be crystal clear to all the students. I am sure this question is crystal clear to each one of you. We will do one more question in the similar way, sir. I hope this idea it is clear. So, even number and an odd number, how beautifully the fundamentals we are using it to solve this question. Another exact replica question. So, even if we do any calculation mistake, once we are good in concepts, we can eliminate all the process. AB into CD is 1147. Question is BA into CD is 2263. 2263. Which two variables are equal? Which two variables are equal? Again, I am repeating that concept with unit digit 3, sir. That is something which you should know it. It might help you to solve some problems. How is that I did it? AB into CD is equivalent to 1143. This is the mistake which I did it. So what are AB and CD value? Listen carefully, sir. First is 1 3s are 3. Next is 7 9s are 63. These are the only two cases possible. Are you all with me? Now if you see 1143, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9. That means this is divisible by 9. If it is divisible by 9, what is the smallest number which is having unit digit 1 and a 2-digit number? 11 into some number ending with 3. 11. Sum of the digits, it is not divisible by 11. So 11 is out. What is the next number with 1? Which is 21. 21 is divisible by 7. 7 ones are 7. 44. 7 6 are 42. 23. It is not possible. Next is 31. 31. this will be, anyway it is there in the range of 1000 plus. So 31 into 23 will not be there in the range. 30 into 40 is 1200. This will become 31 into 33. 33 is divisible by 11. So this case it is not possible. This case it is not possible. With 1 I am not getting it. Let me do it with 3. 13 into 13. This should be divisible by 13. 13 8s are 104. 103. Not possible. Next is 23. 23 4s are 92. 223. Not possible. 33. It is not possible. Why? Because 33 is divisible by 3 and 11. 33 also not possible. Anyway, 43 we cannot take. Why? Because both of, even if you take 43, this has to be either 11 or 21. It cannot be 31. Why? Because 40 into 30 is 1200. It is not divisible by 11. It is only divisible by 3 and 7. 7 it is not divisible. So 43 you cannot take. I hope even if we do calculation mistake, we know how to decode the values of A, B and C, D. Are you all with me? Good that I did a mistake. It will help you to learn the concept better. Now let us solve this. Which two variables are equal? These 10A plus B into CD is equivalent to 1147. B is there in tens place. 10B plus A into CD is equivalent to 2263. It is equivalent to 2263. If I add it, it is 11 into A plus B into CD is equivalent to these 3410. Sum of the odd places it is 4. Sum of the even places also it is 4. So this will become A plus B into CD is equivalent to 11 310. Till here the idea it is clear. 310 can be written as 1 into 310. Case not possible. Why? Because 310 is a 3-digit number. 2 into 155 not possible. 10 into 31. 10 into 31 it is possible. 62 into 5 not possible because AB is an odd number and CD is an odd number. If it is 31, this will be 10. This will be 10. CD cannot take 10. Why? Because AB is an odd number and CD is an odd number. So if D is 1, this has to be 1 7s are. That means B is 7, A is 3. A is 3, B is 7, C is 3 and D is 1. A3, B7, C3, D1. I hope the idea it is clear. A37, C31. Which two variables are equal? A and C. Two variables are equal. A and C. Two variables are equal. 31, 37 and 31. That means these 37 into 31 equivalent to 1147. 37, take a group of 3 digits and add it. 147 plus 1, 148. 37 4s are 148. Perfectly it is clear. So which two variables are equal? A3 and C3. So which two variables are equal? A equivalent to C. A equivalent to C. Idea clear? One is with 1147, which is the actual question. We took it as 1143. We decoded, right? There is no value which is coming out to be the answer. I hope the idea it is clear. This is a very, very interesting concept, sir. This is a very, very interesting concept. Suppose, for example, AB into CD is equivalent to 667. Find AB plus CD. Find AB plus CD. AB and CD are 2-digit numbers. AB comma CD are 2-digit numbers. AB and CD are 2-digit numbers. AB and CD are 2-digit numbers. You can create a lot of questions based on the mistake, whatever we did it, sir. AB into CD, AB into CD. Suppose these. Suppose if I take suppose if I take 540, (19 into 29) is what I am decoding, or 19 into 31 we will decode. 589 let us take. 589. Idea is, we will develop the idea based upon the question. AB into CD is 589. 589. AB into CD is equivalent to 589. Now, one by one, we will decode the values. AB into CD is equivalent to 667. AB plus CD is how much? Here also it is. AB plus CD is equivalent to how much? AB and CD are 2-digit numbers. AB and CD are 2-digit numbers. Let us go one by one. AB into CD is 667. 667, it is an odd number. If it is an odd number, this has to be an odd number and this has to be an odd number. Odd into odd can only give you odd. What is the rightmost non-zero digit? 7. These 1 and D will be 7. 1 sevens are 7 or 10's complement. 10 minus 1, 9. 10 minus 7, 3. So 9 3s are 27. Only these cases will come. Only these cases will come. Either 1 7s are 7 or 3 9s are 27. If it is AB, it is 1. What is the smallest number? 21 or 11. 11. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6 is 7. It is not divisible by 11. 21. 21 is 3 into 7. Right hand side should be divisible by 7. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 7, 19. It is not divisible by 3. Next one is 31. Next one is 31. 31 2s are 62. 47. It cannot be. It cannot be. It cannot be 41, because if it is 41, 40 into 20 is 800. If it is 41, it has to be 17. 41 ones are 41. 257. It cannot be. It cannot be. 1 and 7, that possibility completely is ignored. If it is 9, first it is 19. 19 3s are 57. Next it is 97. It is not possible. Next it is 29. 29 2s are 58. 87 23. That means 29 into 23 is 667. AB plus CD. So 29 plus 23, it is 52. That means answer unit digit has to be 1 plus 7, 8 or 9 plus 3, 12. Check for the answer option where the unit digit is 8 or 2. Where the unit digit is 8 or 2. Is the logic clear, sir? Because we did a mistake, we are able to learn some more problems based upon this concept. Answer is AB plus CD. 29 plus 23, it is 52. Next one. AB into CD is 589. Here if it is 1, here it will be 9. Or here if it is 9, this will be 1. 10's complement. 1 and 9. We require 589. What is the smallest 2-digit number? 11. 11 will be. 11 is divisible. 11 5s are 55. 13 9. It is not divisible. Next is 21. 2-digit number ending with 1. 21 is divisible by 3. 5 plus 8, 13, 22. Not possible. Next is 31. 31 ones are 31, which is 279. 279 it is into 19. 31 into 19. So 31 plus 19, answer is 50. 31 plus 19, it is 50. I hope the logic is clear for the first two questions. Right? Very, very interesting questions can be developed from these concepts, sir. This question, I hope the idea it is clear. These also we developed an idea. We tried solving this question. Next one. You can do a lot of such questions based on an even number and an odd number. So what is the concept that we discussed? Even plus even, it is an even number. Odd plus odd, odd plus odd, it is also an even number. Even plus odd, it is an odd number. Similarly, odd plus even, odd plus even, it will be odd. Very easy proof I gave it to you. 2k1 plus 2k2. 2k1 minus 1 plus 2k2 minus 1. Even, 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 odd. Addition, we did it. Subtraction, similarly, we do. Even minus even is even. Odd minus odd is even. Why? Because 2k1 minus 2k2. 2 common, k1 minus k2 into any number, it is even. Odd minus odd is even. And even minus odd is odd. Even minus odd is odd. Odd minus even is also odd. Odd minus even is also odd. I hope it is clear. Because I gave the proof for this, I am sure you can do the proof for this also. 2k1 minus 2k2, like that. Addition we did, subtraction. Then even into even, it is even. One number, if it is even, answer will be even. Even into any number, answer will be an even number. Odd into odd, just now we have seen the case. Odd into odd, it is an odd number. And odd into even number, if one number it is even, answer will be an even number. These are the three important mathematical operations every student should know. Once you know it, then the concept becomes very, very easy for you. Even into even, if one number it is even, multiply with any other number, answer will be even. Even into any number, answer will be even. Even into any number, answer will be even. Now, one famous doubt in the world of mathematics, the doubt is 0 even or neither even nor odd? Is 0 even or neither even nor odd? Is 0 even or neither even nor odd? First of all, even numbers, I told you, by default number means that number should be a natural number. We are starting from 1. So, most of the textbooks say that it is neither even nor odd. It says that it is neither even nor odd. Neither even nor odd. What is the reason that they will give that it is? Reason 1. Reason 1. Why they will say that 0 is neither even nor odd? They will say because of this reason. 6 is an even number. 6 is perfectly divisible by 2. 12 is an even number. 12 is perfectly divisible by 2. If 0 is an even number, 0 should be perfectly divisible by 2. But here 12 is a multiple of 2. Here 6 is a multiple of 2. Here, can a multiple exceed the original number? What are the multiples of 4? 4, 8, 12, 16 and so on. Multiple is always greater than the number, right? 12 is greater than 2. 6 is greater than 2. Can a multiple be greater than the original number? No. That means this is contradicting the statement. That is the reason 0 is neither even nor odd. 0 is neither even nor odd because of this concept. 6 is divisible by 2. Reminder 0. That means 6 is an even number. Denominator is a factor of numerator. Denominator is a factor of numerator. Factor should always be less than the number. If 0 by 2 is 0, 2 is a factor of 0. Can a factor exceed the original number? No. That means our assumption is not a fact. 0 is neither even nor odd. But in case of GMAT examination, in GMAT, American and other countries, they will, in GMAT examination, 0 is an even number. In 0 is an even number. What is the reason which they will give? The reason which they will give is 4 plus 0 is equivalent to 4. 4 is an even number. Even number plus some number, it is an even number. That some number has to be an even number. That some number has to be an even number. Only in the case of foreign examinations, 0 is even. In all Indian examinations, when I say an even number is an even natural number. That means it is neither even nor odd. This is a very, very important and most oftenly discussed debate in the world of number system. Is 0 even or 0 neither even nor odd? Even number is taken from the set of natural numbers. Because it is taken from the set of natural numbers, lowest natural number it is 1. 0 is neither even nor odd. But if you consider from this point of view also, a factor is always less than the number. But 2, if 0 is a number, even number, it should be perfectly divisible by 2. So can a factor exceed the original number? No. So similarly, in this case, GMAT 0 is an even number. Only in the case of GMAT exam, 0 is an even number. In all Indian examinations, 0 is neither even nor odd. I hope the idea it is crystal clear to you. These are some of the very, very important concepts which everybody should know, sir. Now we will do some problems based upon these concepts. Problems. We will do a lot of foundation related questions. First one, A is an odd number. A is an odd number. A cube nature how much? What is the nature of A? When I say nature of A, he is asking whether A cube is an odd number or an even number. A cube. A cube means A is multiplied 3 times. If A is multiplied 3 times, it is odd into odd into odd. If one number is even, then only answer will be even. Otherwise, the answer will be odd. Otherwise, the answer will be odd. If A is an odd number, A cube nature, A cube it will be an odd number. A cube it will be an odd number. Similarly, A power 7, it is an odd number. A power 7, it is an odd number. What is A? Find the nature of A. Find the nature of A. A power 7, it is an odd number. Find the nature of A. Suppose if I take A as an even number, even into any number, answer would have been even. But the right hand side is an odd number. That means nature of A, it will be an odd number. It will be an odd number. Next, third question. All are basic foundation questions. A is an even number. A is an even number. 3A minus 7 nature. 3A minus 7 nature. A power 3 plus A power 5 plus A power 7 nature. Third question. A power 9 minus A power 4 nature. We are finding whether the expression is giving you an even number or an odd number. Whether the answer it is an even number or an odd number. Very, very Good fundamental questions we are discussing in the class. A is an odd number, odd into odd into odd, it is an odd number. A power 7, it is an odd number. Odd power any number, it is an odd. A is an even number. Even number into any number, it is even. 7, it is an odd number. Even minus odd. Even minus odd, it is always odd. A is an even number. Even number into any number, it is even. Even minus odd, it is odd. Next, A is an even number. Even into any number, even. Even into any number, even. Even, even, even. Even plus even plus even. Answer is an even number. A is an even number. Even power any number, even. A is an even number. Even power any number, even. Even minus even. Answer is even. Answer is even. Are you all with me? This is for a single variable. Let us do it for a two variables. Introductory question. We are given an expression RHS, whether it is even or odd. We are finding the nature of a variable. 1, 2 and 3. Now let us do it with a two variables. Let us do it with a two variables. Question is, A plus B, it is an odd number. A plus B, it is an odd number. A cube plus B cube, nature. First question. A cube plus B cube, nature. 7A plus 11B, nature. 7A plus 11B, nature. Third question. Third one. 14A plus 23B plus 37AB, nature. We are not interested in finding the values. Anyway, the values of A and B are not given. He just gave whether the RHS of A plus B, it is an odd number. Find the nature of B. One by one we will go, sir. A plus B is an odd number. That means A will be an even number and B will be an odd number. Even plus odd can only give you odd. Or A can be an odd number or B can be an even number. A can be an odd number or B can be an even number. Odd plus even, it is odd, or even plus odd also, it is odd. One is even, another is odd. That means both of them are of different parity, different priority. If one is even, another will be odd. Or if one is even, B is even, another will be odd. Even, 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 it will be even. Odd, 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 it will be odd. Even plus odd is an odd number. Similarly, odd, 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 it is odd. Even, 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 it is even. Odd plus even, it is also odd. Odd plus even, it is also odd. I hope the idea it is clear. Especially second and third question will give you some wonderful insights, sir. 7A plus 11B, nature. Second question. 7A plus 11B. What could be the nature of 7A plus 11B? If A is even, B will be odd. What is the second case? If A is odd, B will be even. B will be even. 7 into even. 7 into even. It is even into any number, even. Odd into odd. Odd into odd is odd. Even plus odd is odd. Odd into odd, it is odd. Even into any number, it is even. Odd plus even is odd. Both the cases we should consider, sir. If sum of two numbers, it is odd. One can be even, another can be odd. A can be even, B can be odd. A can be odd, B can be even. A can be odd, B can be even. Please take all the cases. Take all the cases. 14A plus 23B. If A is even, B can be odd. A is even, B can be odd. What is the next case? A is odd, B is even, or it can be odd or even. Even into any number, it is even. Odd into odd, odd. Even into any number, even. Even plus even, even. Even plus odd is odd. Even plus odd is odd. Similarly, even into any number, even. Odd into even, it is even. Even into any number. See here. It is even. He will ask a question like this. 14a plus 23b plus 37ab. Answer is always even. Answer is always odd. Sometimes even, sometimes odd. Two options we got it. Two options we got it. First we did it for a single variable. Then we are doing it for a two variables. I hope the idea it is clear. Now what we will do is, we will do it for a three variables. A plus B plus C, it is then even. A plus B plus C, it is an even number. If A plus B plus C, it is an even number. A, B, C, all are natural numbers, sir. A, B, C, all are natural numbers. What will be the possibilities of A, plus, A, B and C? Sum of three numbers, it is even. If sum of three numbers, it is even. Possibility 1. All can be even. Why? Because even plus even, even, even plus even, even. All the three can be even. Even plus even, even, even plus even, even. Possibility 1. All the three variables take the same parity. Next one. Possibility 2. Let me take 2 as even, another as odd. 3 are even I took. Now I'll take 2 even. Even plus even is even. Even plus odd is odd, but it is even. This is not possible. 3 variables even I took. Then 2 variables even. This case not possible. That means last case is 1 is even. Even plus odd plus odd. Even plus odd plus odd. Odd plus odd is even. Even plus even, it is even. That means one of the variables can be even, or all the variables are even. One variable it can be even, or all three variables it can be even. Are you all with me? One variable can be even, or three variables can be even. These are the three possibilities. These are the three possibilities. I hope it is clear. The question, the framing can be any thing from this one. We did till 5th question. Let us see. 6th question. X cube plus x power 4. Xy square plus x square y. 13a plus even 1 is even. Then a is. Now see here. 8th question. 3a plus 1. It is an even number. Even number is of the form 2k. 3a equivalent to 2k minus 1. 2k minus 1, it is an odd number. 2k minus 1, it is an odd number. 3 is an odd number. Odd into which number I will get odd? This has to be odd. This has to be odd. That means what is the nature of A? A is definitely odd. A is definitely odd. 3a plus 1, it is an even number. Even number is of the form 2k. 3a is 2k minus 1. This is odd. 3 is odd. Odd into some number, it is odd. That some number has to be odd. Next one, this will be xy into y plus x. Xy into y plus x. First case, x and y both are even. X and y both are even. Even into any number. Even into any number. Answer will be even. When both x and y are odd. When both x and y are odd. Odd plus odd. What is odd plus odd? Even. Answer will be even. When one is odd, another is even. When one is odd, another is even. Now see. One is even, another is odd. Odd into even into any number. Even into any number. Answer will be an even number. Odd into even into odd plus even. Odd plus even, it is odd. Even into any number. Answer will be even. I hope it is clear. 7th one. X cube plus x power 4. If x is odd, If x is odd, odd plus 1, it will become even. Even into any number, answer is even. If x is even power any number, even into any number, even. This kind of questions are quite familiar questions and are coming repeatedly in your examination. 6th, 7th and 8th. You can take some dummy values and you can do it also. 5a minus 3. It is an odd number. Odd number is 2k plus 1 or 2k minus 1. 5a equivalent to 2k plus 4. This is an even number. This is an even number. 5a, it is an even number. If 5a, it is an even number, a will be an even number. Odd number into which natural number? 5a, it is an even number. Now see here. Here it is given that a is a natural number. It is given clearly that a is a natural number. A is a natural number. Otherwise, I would have taken a as 2 by 5, 4 by 5 and so on. A can also take a fraction. A can also take a fraction. If a is given as a natural number, answer is a even. If the domain of a is not mentioned, a can also take fraction. A can also take fraction. Now see here. Even into any number, it is even. 2 is an even. Even plus even, it is even. That means a here, it can be sometimes odd or sometimes even. Even into any number, it is even. 4 is even. Even into any number, it is even. I hope 10th one, it is clear. Because the first numerical value, 4 is an even. Even into any number, it is even. 7a minus 4. 7a minus 4, it is an even number. So it is 2k. 7a equivalent to 2k plus 4. This is an even number, this is an even number. It is an even number. 7 is an odd number. Odd into which number? It is even. So that number will be even. Odd into even only will be even. That means a has to be even. I hope you are understanding the fundamental mathematical operations of even plus even minus odd minus odd, and odd plus odd. Next one, 11a plus 10. 11a plus 10. It is odd. Let us do the reverse case. If a is even into any number, even. 10 is even. Even plus even, it is even. But it is odd. That means a has to be odd. A has to be odd. Again I am repeating. If a is even into any number, even plus even, but the right hand side is odd. That means a cannot be even. Similarly, 10a minus 7 is odd. 10a minus 7, it is odd. Odd number is of the form 2k plus 1 or 2k minus 1. 10a equivalent to 2k plus 8. It is even. It is even. It is even. A can be either an odd number or an even number. A can be either an odd number or a can be an even number. 10a equivalent to 2k plus 8. It is even number, even number. Even plus even is even. 10 is an even number. Even number into any natural number, it will give an even. Another beautiful question, sir. A into B into C, it is an odd number. All the product, it will be odd. That means A will be odd, B will be odd, and C will be odd. A is odd, B is odd, and C is odd. Because if one numerical value, it is even into any number, it becomes even. So AB, odd into odd is odd. BC, odd into odd is odd. AC, odd into odd is odd. Odd plus odd, even. Even plus odd, it is an odd number. Even plus odd, this is an odd number. Answer, it is an odd number. Are you all with me? Next one, A is an odd number, B is an odd number. Odd minus odd, even. Even into any number, answer will be an even number. even into any number, answer will be an even number. I hope you are understanding very beautifully. We are finding the expression nature is given even or odd. We are finding what could be the nature of that variable. What could be the nature of that variable? Nature of that variable. Now see here. This is a cat level question, sir. Let x, y, z be distinct integers. X and y are odd. X and y are odd, and it is clearly mentioned that it is a positive number. X and y are odd. Z is even. Both are from natural number set. X, y are odd and Z is even. What is the first statement? Which of the following cannot be true? Which of the following cannot be true? First one. X, y are odd. Odd minus odd is even. Even into any number. It is even. Definitely true. Next one. X minus Z into Y. X is odd. Z is even. Odd minus even is odd. Y is also odd. Odd into odd. Odd into odd. I will definitely get odd. I will definitely get odd. I hope it is clear. Next, x minus z, odd minus even, odd. Y is also odd. Odd into odd. It is definitely odd. Definitely odd. First one, x minus z, odd minus even is odd. Odd into odd, it is odd, which is given as even. That means first statement, definitely it is incorrect. You can always, because we are working with variables, you can always plug in some values to check the authenticity of the statement. Very, very easy. This is similar to a cat question, sir. What is given? 17th question. Let x, y, z are distinct integers that are odd and positive. X is an odd number. Y is an odd number. Y is an odd number. And z is also an odd number. Odd minus second option. Which of the following statements cannot be true? Definitely it is false. X is odd, y is odd. Odd minus odd, even. Definitely true. First one. Odd, odd, odd. Odd into odd into odd. It is odd. Fourth one. X minus y. Odd minus odd is even. Even into any number. Answer has to be even. But it is given as odd. That means fourth statement. Fourth statement is definitely incorrect. Fourth statement is definitely incorrect. I hope you understood how to decode the nature of XYZ, 16th and 17th. Next, let us do some replica questions based upon this concept. 2 power m minus 2 power n equivalent to 63. M and n are positive integers. How many values m comma n can take? M comma n can take. 2 power m minus 2 power n equivalent to 63. M and n are positive integers. Our second question. First question. Second question. M and n are integers. How many values m comma n can take? How many values m comma n can take? Beautiful question, sir. 2 power m minus 2 power n equivalent to 63. 63. M and n are positive integers. If m and n are positive integers, 2 power 1, 2, it is an even number. 2 square, it is 4, even number. If m and n are positive integers, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, all are even. 2 power m even and 2 power n even. 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. Even minus even. Even minus even, it is even. But 63, it is odd. So what will be the answer? No value for m comma n exists. No value for m comma n exists. No value for m comma n exists. Suppose this is case number 1. Case number 2. M and N are integers. First case is when they are natural numbers. Now they are integers. Now they are integers. Now see here. Integers means what I mean is non-negative integers. I don't mean by negative integers. Non-negative integers. Non-negative integers. Now see here, sir. 2 power m minus 2 power n equivalent to 63. 63 is an odd number. 63, it is an odd number. Am I right? When I will get an odd number, odd minus odd is even? No. Even minus even is even? No. So the case is even minus odd is odd, or odd minus even, it is odd. Are you all with me? Odd minus even, it is odd. But odd minus even, if it is odd number, if I take 1 and 2, 3, 5, now see here, these even minus odd is odd. When 2 power n will be, 2 power n, can it be even, sir? 2 power n, can it be even? Definitely yes. 2 power n even, when it will be even? When n can be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. But 2 power n is odd. 2 power n is odd. Odd is only 1. The case is n is 0. 2 power m minus 1 equivalent to 63. 2 power m equivalent to 64. 2 power m. 2 power m equivalent to 2 power 6. M equivalent to 6. M equivalent to 6, n equivalent to 0. 2 power m odd, m value 0, 1 minus something, it is 63. So n even, 1 minus 16, 1 minus 8, it cannot be, right? It will get into a negative value. I hope the idea it is clear. I hope the idea it is clear. Even minus odd is an odd number. 2 power n can be an odd number. 2 power n can be an odd number only when n equivalent to 0. N is 0. 2 power m is 64. M will become 6. M will become 6. Very, very good question. When I am referring to z here, I am referring to non-negative integers. I am referring to non-negative integers. This kind of questions are coming very repeatedly in your examination. Next one. 1 minute, sir. A square plus B square. A square plus B square equivalent to C square. ABCR. ABC. Please write down, sir. A square plus B square equivalent to C square. Next question. Question write down, sir. All are very interesting questions. A square plus B square equivalent to C square. ABCR, odd natural numbers. ABCR, odd natural numbers. How many values ABC can take? How many values ABC can take such that A square plus B square equivalent to C square? Another very, very good question. Actually, this question can also be asked in geometry like this. How many right-angled triangles exist? How many right-angled triangle exists with all the three sides? All the three sides. Sides are odd numbers. A square plus B square equivalent to C square. If A comma B are odd, if A comma B are odd, odd plus odd, it is even. C square is even. That means C has to be even. C has to be even. When A and B are odd, odd number on square, it is odd. Odd number on square, odd. First case, not possible. Second, another two let us take. If A is odd and C is odd, A is odd and C is odd, odd number on square plus B square equivalent to odd. Odd minus odd, even. B square, it is even. If B square is even, that means B has to be even. All the three cannot be odd. Third case, if B is odd and C is odd, this will be A square plus odd equivalent to odd. Odd minus odd is even. That means A has to be even. A has to be even. All the three variables cannot take odd numbers. Odd plus odd, even, even plus even, even. Odd plus odd, even plus even, even. Just to make a note of it, sir. Very, very interesting concept where we are trying to find out the nature of A, B and C. A, B and C. A, B and C. Is the idea clear? I hope everybody, the idea it is clear. All the three cannot be odd. Answer is no value for A, B, C exists. No value for A, B, C exists. No value for A, B, C exists which satisfies these conditions. There exists no Pythagorean triplet where all the three can be odd. 3, 4, 5. 4 is even. 5, 12, 13. 12 is even. 6, 8, 10. All the three can be even. All the three cannot be odd. All the three cannot be odd. Next question. Mn into M minus N equivalent to 45045. Mn are natural numbers. Mn are natural numbers. How many values Mn will take which satisfies these equation? Mn into M minus N equivalent to 45045. Mn are natural numbers. How many values Mn will take? Mn are natural numbers. That means if M is odd, N can be odd. If M is even, N can be odd. If M is even, N can be even. Or if M is odd, N can be even. These are the four cases which will come. M odd, N odd, M even, N odd, M even, N even, M odd, N even. Now see here, listen carefully. First case, M odd, N odd, M is odd, N is odd. Odd minus odd, it is an even number. Any number multiplied by an even number, it is an even number. It is an even number. M is even, N is odd. M is even, N is odd. Even minus odd, it is odd. Any number multiplied by even, it is an even number. M is even, N is even. Even number into any number, even minus even. Answer is an even number. M is odd, N is even. If one is even, another will, any number multiplied by even, answer will be an even. The root cause of this problem is, one variable becomes even. Even into any number, answer becomes even. Even into any number, answer becomes even. Even into any number, answer becomes even. Answer is no value for M comma N exists. No value for M comma N exists which satisfies this question. No value for M comma N exists which satisfies this question. Is the idea clear? I hope the idea it is clear. Similarly, it can be given M plus 1 into M plus 2 into M plus 3 equivalent to 27n cube plus 9n square plus 3n plus 1. Mn are natural numbers. Mn are natural numbers. How many values Mn can take such that this equation is satisfied? m plus 1 into m plus 2 into m plus 3 equivalent to 27n cube plus 9n square plus 3n plus 1. Seems like a difficult question, but actually it's a sitter which can be solved in less than 5 seconds if your fundamentals are good. M plus 1, m plus 2, m plus 3. These are three consecutive natural numbers. Am I right? Three consecutive natural numbers. It is always divisible by 3. 1 into 2 into 3, divisible by 3. 8 into 9 into 10, divisible by 3. 10 into 11 into 12, divisible by 3. Product of 3 consecutive, it is always divisible by 3. 27n cube, 27 is 3 into 9, divisible by 3. These also divisible by 3. These also divisible by 3. Left hand side is divisible by 3. Right hand side is giving a remainder 1. Left hand side is divisible by 3. Right hand side is giving a remainder 1. That means no value for m comma n exists. No value for m comma n exists. No value for m comma n. M plus 1, m plus 2, m plus 3. You put any value that comes into your mind. The root cause of this problem is these divisible by 3, divisible by 3, divisible by 3. So, product of 3 consecutive natural numbers, it is always divisible by 3. M plus 1, m plus 2, m plus 3 is always divisible by 3. Right hand side should also be divisible by 3. Not divisible, not divisible, not divisible. Remainder 1. I hope the idea it is clear. Similarly, m plus 1 into m plus 2 equivalent to 137. 137. M is a natural number. M is a natural number. How many values m will take which will satisfy this equation? Simple in quadratic equation also we will use this concept. M plus 1, m plus 2. These both are consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers is always divisible by 2. 2 into 3 divisible by 2. 5 into 6 divisible by 2. 6 into 7 divisible by 2. These divisible by 2. 137 is not divisible by 2. Answer is no value for m. Answer is no value for m which will satisfy this equation. Answer is no value for m which will satisfy this equation. I hope the fundamentals class on even number